At the massage temple, we'll show you how to give a neck massage. The neck is always tense and holds a lot of tension, so we must treat it with care and gentleness, but without causing harm. Stay tuned for our demonstration on this crucial area. Let's work on it face up. We will also work on the back side, the middle portion, and we will demonstrate to you how it can be done effectively and efficiently. So let's obtain the small quantity of oil and begin. And let's focus on the neck by positioning the person face up. That is going to enable us to easily reach the entire back area. Let's begin by loosening up all the muscles in the back of the neck very carefully and with a relaxed neck in order to avoid getting hurt. But we can really get our fingers in there, wanting to articulate it. We're also going to focus on the base of the skull to loosen up all the little knots we find, always with the neck flexed so as not to strain or damage it. In addition, we will drain all the lymph nodes we have in the neck area, as these are some of the most important lymph nodes. We will carefully drain them from the front, taking great care not to damage the throat area, but we can mobilize it if necessary for the procedure. Here's an area that's stubborn, always stays more fixed, and we can give it a little mobility. We have the ability to remove the fluid from the region of the salivary glands that, as a result of tension in the jaw, become stuck and create rigidities that hinder the movement of the neck. The neck is a highly sensitive area that often gets tense due to stress. It's one of the areas we strain the most, and the shoulders are largely responsible. So that's why we're going to insist on relaxing the shoulders and lowering them down. That way we're going to give your neck a little bit of relaxation. We will work on the jaw. The jaw is an area that gets tense, we hold tension. All the things that don't go well for us during the day, we keep them here, and in the end, we clench our jaw and grind our teeth a lot, which messes up the tooth area. And it's important to relax, it's closely related to the neck. Also the ears. The ears are forgotten, we don't realize it, and they are always stuck, so we are going to unstick them. We are going to want to mobilize them in this way. We will give looseness and mobility to the entire temporal and parietal and occipital area of the skull. The muscles always extend up to the middle of the head, so we are not only going to stay in the neck, we have to go up to the occipital part, which is the back of the head, in order to provide articulation, because that is the area that remains more fixed. And then, well, we're going to do some stretches that can be done without a towel, which involve kneading. We'll knead while stretching and knead while relaxing, and we can also do some stretches with the towel. With the towel, it's always more pleasant, it's more relaxing, it's easier for the person to let their head be weightless and without straining their neck. So, for people who are a little scared of you manipulating their neck, the towel part is going to be much better for them. With the towel, we'll turn our head from side to side, as if saying no, and we'll also stretch it by bringing our ear to our shoulder to work on all the stretches. And in the end, well, we're going to grab it and move it forward to stretch up to the area of the first dorsal vertebrae of the spine. When working on the obliques, we will stretch the trapezius and the entire posterior part. To conclude, we will provide some relaxing and sedating strokes, as well as release the external cladomuscle. This will leave the body feeling refreshed and prepared to embark on a new day's activities.